87.9 FM ija ato efie bi mu ya ewo ohwim a chese ehye nipa mienu ahwere won kwa anope ya si bro. And in fact, there's an update I see at say o masan e baako a we free muntia nipa ya miensa maame enenema emienu. This is a very, very serious situation and anope ubetimin so follow, and that is the video another pay Rudy Amao on Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. It's a serious thing, and I will join here. It's so terrible. You're an assembly member for the area. Ebedin come out in the next few minutes. Yabestre udumja for na on chana mo MYA na intimin so enya some of these controls over it. Hi Akoma 87.9 FM. The breaking news and anope and it said ija ato oshim emedi pami ensa ahwe wonkwa. We have the mother ahwe wonkwa. Nema mienu omonso ahwe wonkwa. And that is the situation and anope you dealing with. In the next few minutes we'll get you the videos now what exactly the situation and how terrible see it here. But report no HSA JB, any update kakra on this
yes.
Okay, so this is the area.
Yes, Kofi enuni edana ashin.
Okay.
And it is reported say mame ene ne mamienu.
Okay.
And that is so much kwa. So we shall say jano egusua edere e wo dem hodom.
Okay. Mayane the assembly member for the area. Erastus anope mayemo achemo akwaba Emra Akoma FM. Bibi aboko there.
Majusu ni abema.
Na
boko there enye boko.
Edie na si ye tambe na sa ayro sami si.
Ana permitia oni wotiefo ina. AC 12:15. But me call no 1:22. And the rasi echo 87.9. Na areho sami na say obatan ya one ne mma mienu enne ija no age omonkwa efro nsem na mo ye nipa nan na ho ba ne ba penin de nyame din ho afofie e ma ne tumi pie by maame no ene ne mma mienu a kra mienu aka de kofi anto ata omonkwa efro nsa.
Wow, ara omonkwa na neda
ane maame no ne mma nkuma no mienu no eda omo baby nko ena ne baba ya na wo 14 to 15 no ono so oda the bedroom by the same house ena ija no eto maame no edem ho
87.9 Kumasi.
enti according to the baba ya no also the one who said ne dem ho yesese na school musu ya chene se bibisi sa na ejje na tofi ho enti no omomode mpia bontere to ne o yusu adwena teacher for da she trim ena opie to opie ba nanim no otise ne maame ejje mu se ejje ato ono ne dem ho enti on frankofo abontere no mebie no na ne gate no ontumi emie ena akola free ase etientie mu
Akoma 87.9 Kumasi.
adonfo ebae ya me tell you be president member
Kumasi.
honorable Patrick nso ehwa na ote enti oya fast efre keme main fire ena omo free bantama na fire service for nemmo maba so omo ya juma soronko in the space of 30 minutes no mo duru ho ombo mo modin bia ye no so mo ye bia o tumundum jane de nanso na fie no asia woja hu hwia enye yi na oba tan ene ne mamienu na mo nkwa efiri omo nsa.
Wow. Na omu papa we maame no ne kunu
okunu ono oti different place e we Sofia.
Hey.
Na oba ho enwumre no according to no fro be 9:30 and in the space of 3 hours na omo frɛ no oba ya na ne mama mienu a yakopon e de omo ache no ne ma ina ya ma mama mienu pa ya me de omo ache no no.
Hey.
Na enne omo nkwa efiri omo nsa.
Wow.
I mean, hosem de de omugu kamu na humachi de mo komochire minua enne de bone emame enne ya hosem kase pa brechi kase
Akoma
enabo
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ho. Wow. Hey, asampani. Eti for na police for aba befa muniko.
amachina na junior police for eba be 60 almost 60 fire for tiwe na swami for eba kan busem for hu na ye for body na me omu na de ko mochire isi am no ka say me ne be man ne busem for no e ko police station na yakotwe statement na fie hu nyaka no na wo bia no security for put my hojima
87.9.
because the question is generally see kwana ana nsem bia metete na eyen koyeja keke besa kana biem na enkoyeja keke
Okay.
fi say be mana ayo oba no kunu edi adanse say we na to so miensa ije to so miensa atu mami enie to so miensa yi na ati ne kwa efri nizam na they didn't cannot hide dan baby on the jet on the kitchen me ho ina asiye ene be ma no odi gina so koto fie e ma no
Hey.
afiye mu
Akoma FM
oda ne tie ne na the bedroom no na the window no ite demo a the curtains na ase let us me ensa no ene nen so the bedroom wona ne gya no efriye na ene be se be di no manum Ghana ye police for ene ye first for no mu ni mede jeminu se o mbo to hwuma kosi ase se bibi wo ma ye bi hu ne wo bia na mo si na metete se ne de se me de madwene ni me ni egudi a ka be kasa nye kwa nanso menye bambofo nti no na minnim no mabere nti no ye jama bambofo no no mbo hwum ekosi ase
Akoma FM
na ya ncha sempa
87.9 Kumasi.
Okay, mamena wasipi bibini amesatun safro. Abzanfo haya Akoma 87.9 FM. Bini dia piano ba Kofi Asante. Sad news video no. Hey, na if you know Ashipa o.
Kofi complete house.
Hey.
And na ashi and very terrible Kofi.
Jesus Christ.
Me crash me raho.
Atiefo.
Miraho.
Jebi yemfa omamu ne mra na.
Kofi Debi Kofi Misro.
Atiefo mbotimi ahwe.
Kofi Misro we
On Facebook page said o masi ahye.
Kofi Misro me fama Misro. Yes no be say nkofo dey.
We sure.
O say na nsu ato.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, man for me fa ho akutwa.
Dollar bo kra akosoro.
Ya ma for akutwa.
Nkofo be he dey ma bebre be say wa.
Waka okay nti ma menene ne mma no ahana no omoda okay eti ma me no okay no
complete house.
Complete house.
Yes, complete house.
Enya fikito
And near me one say Ejane start say deria obi ante ho hwe amatumi am rescue omo and ya ohun ya and you can imagine hwe edani mu na etutututu but Kofi ene de okaso de mu ne ba de wan hwe asembesi Mr.
Akoma FM 87.9
I don't know but mo betimi ahwe there how many of you can watch because there na ehu terrible just say I was secret gume but I need to I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Video we the last time we nti dana no modern and if I call ukwa bedroom or any. Now this is it.
Yes. If bedrooms the doors.
Oh no.
Bedrooms the doors. Also on the kind indicate say obi an the bedroom na ba bedroom ni.
Enti hana na the banner down.
Eh ha no ba bedroom ni. Emusu ka say jani bi na eda so dere wo ho.
Jani da so dere no. Just say everything burned to ashes. Damn it.
Oh.
Hey.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Esani wo ho. Just a dining na.
Ashe. Just ashe. But Kofi omonya hwehwemu ye.
I said 3 times.
Yes, omonya hwehwemu ye because Kofi no my instinct tells me something different. Omonya hwehwemu ye.
3 times the jashi.
Kofi omonya hwehwemu ye.
Ana papa na beto fie wi ma o. Ena no so ijana hye ne dwere be.
Kofi omonya hwehwemu ye because Bibi catch me say all is not well. Now we share the way a Danny sits here. Share inside no Kofi. Share inside no. Now the way a baby a she any the way one most essay to two now.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
It tells you something, Kofi. It's a way I will not be quick to judge. But minim say ondu for a professional so meet me ayo muhwehwe mu ye. Say na be ya they can ascertain the real cause of this fire outbreak. I'm a conform me say hwe mo I mean very terrible situation. Very very terrible situation. Me pass
87.9
Ghana Akoma.
This
Portable.
Ghana Akoma Jumadi.
Okay, therefore I think sir by editorial policy video near very horrible. Sang mame no emu no very horrible.
Akoma FM 87.9
the one also to me. Doris Mensan, Doris, I don't know so bit to me. It's very painful and it shakes all emotions. Doris Mensan and Senior Zuru Shiftman and more Facebook page. Mama Minyamo verdict on this. Now you decided on what to do. Millicent Usu Bernard Bema was it Bema, right? Bema.
Yes, Bema.
Very bad. Abena Sewa, also God have mercy. Ajua Inshra Texan, Nak MP Opuku. Yes, he Selassie, Pipi.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
One, say Wine Florenzo, Doris, so bad. Jabi. Okay, so Walker, Enra, yeah, that's sorry, yeah. We have the announcement of a new tariff. At ever, we see, mommy, 1 minute.
If we near number, yeah, open me this sentence. I miss
the bedroom. Serious. This is the hall. This is the bedroom where the fire started.